It will take your time, it needs your strength, it needs patience. If you are not a patient somebody, if you are not patient, you cannot do hair ventilation because you have to sit down at a place. And if you are the type of person that you can't sit, my nose is just like one masquerade like that in their village. So to avoid that, I said, okay, I'm not no more posting on Facebook, okay, for training. So I'm taking this training. Let's take this training out of Facebook now. Hello family, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video is it, I want to share with you guys the reason why I am here on YouTube. What really motivated me to start a YouTube channel? What was the reason why this baby girl here decided to start up a YouTube channel? Why I started the YouTube channel? It goes like this. It's a story, okay? It's a story. What really happened? Why did I start a YouTube channel? I started hair ventilation. My spirit moved me to teach others. I noticed that some persons are actually interested in learning hair ventilation, but the problem is they don't have the cash, they don't have the money to go through the training, like to pay someone to train them. Okay, so one day I was moved to post on Facebook for people who are actually interested in learning this craft, okay, in learning how to ventilate hair. They should let me know in the comment section. And when I did that, I went ahead and created a WhatsApp group. Okay, I created a WhatsApp group. So when I made that post on Facebook about, it's like in two different groups, okay. So when I made that post, some persons started showing interest. So I decided to do this for free. Guys, calm down.
Something I decided to do out of my free will. Some persons are not actually happy about that. Calm down, I'll tell you guys the truth.
When I made that post, okay, I wasn't expecting too much people, like so many persons being interested, because this craft is one thing that if you're not really interested in it, if you're not really interested in ventilating hair, it's not your thing. You're not just interested. If you are there because of the money, you will quit. That's just the real truth. You are going to quit because hair ventilation is tasky. Yeah, it will take your time. It needs your strength. It needs patience. If you are not a patient somebody, if you are not patient, you cannot do hair ventilation because you have to sit down at a place. And if you are the type of person that you can't sit at a place, you can't do hair ventilation, you can't be a hair ventilator. Lie. Better buy from other people that can ventilate and be making braided wig. Is that what you want to do? Okay, for you to be a hair ventilator, you must be someone that is you must have patience, because it requires patience. Yeah, you must have patience, number one. Number two, be ready. Yeah, you should be the kind of person that can stay at a place for a longer period of time. Okay, if you are flow and flow kind of person, you cannot be a hair ventilator. Okay, so back to my story. So when I made that post on Facebook, people who are, if you know you're interested in learning how to ventilate hair for free, for free, let me know in the comment section. So I saw that so many persons were actually interested in learning. So what I did was to create a WhatsApp group. Okay, so I created a WhatsApp group and I dropped the link to that group. So many persons joined through that link. In total, I had like 6 persons. Some persons in the group are not really there to learn. Some of them are scammers. They're just there to throw in links and send all sorts of things. So what I did is that if I notice you post something that is not related to what we are doing, I remove you. Okay, so I told them the materials they should get, and I gave them extra 2 days to get those materials ready, because on the 3rd day I started the training, and people who are really interested in learning the training, they actually got the materials ready. So how did I take that first training? What I did was to make videos for them. Okay, I make tutorial videos for them, just like the kind of videos I post on this channel. Okay, so I made these tutorial videos for them, and I sent to the group. Okay, it was actually tasky because it's WhatsApp. It's just like it's not even, you can't send longer than 3 minutes video. Abi? Yeah. So the length of the video you have to send is limited. So I have to, even after making the video, I have to start cutting them small, small, small. Then label it part one, part two, part three, like that, and send to the group. So that was how I was able to train those first set of people. And when I give assignments, the real people that are actually in that group to learn, they will do the assignment and return back to me. If they need correction, I'll correct them. Okay. Why some persons that are not even, they're not even interested, like I don't think they're even following what we are doing. Okay, if I notice you're not following, you're not commenting, you're not showing interest, you're not even doing the assignment, I have to remove you because I was there for serious business. Even though you are not paying me a dime, that doesn't mean you should not take the training serious. Okay, so if you know you're not, you won't take this training serious, then why did you join? So if I see that you're not serious, you have to leave. Okay? So after that first set of people, I noticed that people were actually gaining a lot of value from what I was doing. Okay, even at some point, some of them were like, let's appreciate you, send your account number, this and that one. But my main concern was then for them to learn this thing, because I don't know what moved me. That's just the real truth. I don't know what moved me, but just a day like this, that day I was just moved to make that post. Even when I made that post, I don't even know how I'm going to conduct that training for them. Okay, it's even after I made the post that I created the WhatsApp group and start, because I don't even know that some persons will show interest. That's just the truth. So when I saw that people were interested, I quickly created the WhatsApp group and then send them the link for them to join. I don't know what moved me. I did not collect any dime from anybody. So when I see that these people are really learning, okay, they were happy, sending me reviews, coming to my DM, thank you so much, this one and that, God bless you, that. Okay, I decided to go this the second time. It was this second time that people want to slash my neck like this. So when I posted the second time on Facebook again in two groups like that, so just after the post, like few minutes or 1 hour after the post, I started battling me, talking a lot of bad things. Why will you be teaching people for free? Why? How much did you spend to learn this thing? Why would you teach people? You don't have any right to teach people for free. I was like, what? So many, like many of them in that group were saying a lot of bad things. Some people were even saying that I'm a scammer, that I want to maybe get them to the group. And when I get to the group, now I'll tell them to pay a certain amount of money for the training, even though it was written on my post that the training is free. Okay, some people were still doubting that. I just bring them to the WhatsApp group, okay, run them into the group, and then paid in the amount they will pay for the training. It was even a lady from the first set of people that I trained that I have to reply that person. I was telling the girl that I am not a scammer, okay? That she's among the first set of people I trained for free, that I did not collect any single dime from anybody, that I'm real, okay? But that's not even my issue. My issue is, why are these people against me, talking a whole lot of bad things? I am the one who is conducting this training. It's my subscription, it's my data, it's my money, it's my energy, it's my everything. And I decided to train people for free. How is that your business? How does that affect you in any way? Why should you be saying a lot of bad things to me because I wanted to train people for free? They were saying a lot of things. How can I train people for free? So after spending a lot of money learning hair regulation, I want to train people for free. I'm not supposed to train anybody for free. I should collect money. So that did not make me to stop with the second batch of people. Okay, so some persons that joined, I just gave them 2 days, and after the 2 days, I told them exactly what the people in the group, the serious ones, the ones that are just there to throw in links, I removed them. So the serious ones, I told them what to do. They did. They bought the materials, and I went ahead and trained them the second time. Okay, so if someone cannot be of help to another person without collecting money from the person. Okay, so after this second training, after receiving both from the first set of people and then the second set of people, getting reviews from them. Will I call it a review, a bit Thanksgiving? Should I call it a review? Is it a review? As in people started showing appreciation. Okay, let me call it appreciation message. Okay, appreciation text on WhatsApp, thanking me for what I did for them. Okay, many of them, not even some of them, were like, "Oh, thank you so much. This is what I wanted to learn for so long, but because I don't have the amount of money, because some persons actually collect not less than 70k. I'm telling you, to teach people or train people on hair ventilation. And even when they are training you, say they are not going to tell you everything you need to know. They will still hide some certain things from you. But when I train these people for free, I did not hide anything. The same way you see me make my tutorial videos. If you see my tutorial video, you see that I'm not hiding anything. Okay, I don't hide anything. I show you how it is, how I did it, so that if you follow it, you will gain this. If not even the same result, you get a better result. Since a lot of people are getting value from my training, let's take this training out of Facebook. No more Facebook posts. So to avoid people saying a lot of bad things to me, before someone will tell me that my nose is like one masquerade like that in their village. Okay, let me take this training out of Facebook and WhatsApp to YouTube. So I created a YouTube channel, and here we are. I've been uploading tutorial videos back to back for you guys. Even though this channel is not just based on tutorial, okay, even if you go back to my introduction video, said it there that my channel is going to be about tutorials, lifestyle, vlog, and since then I've been able to be uploading tutorial videos for you guys. Do I have a vlog video? Okay, yeah, just one. That my convocation vlog. So but you guys should chill down, okay? It's part of my plan. From next year I'll start uploading more vlogs for you guys, more lifestyle video for you guys. Okay, so guys, this is the main reason why what actually moved me to create a YouTube channel. That I've been uploading tutorial videos. From now onwards, expect more videos from me that are not tutorials. Expect story time kind of video, expect vlogs, expect lifestyle. Okay, I didn't start this channel during my undergraduate days. I actually started this channel when I graduated. I graduated December and I started this channel in February. Okay, so what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in story kind of content, how my undergraduate days was, to let you know the reason why I created this channel. This baby girl wants to help people. So before I go ahead and tell you guys the second reason why I started this channel, you guys are going to do one thing for me. I'm going to wait for you guys to do that. Okay, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, say something good. I'm waiting for you guys to do that. I'm giving you guys a minute to hit that subscribe button. See, it's not a joking matter. It's not because I'm laughing, it's not a joking matter. I'm waiting for you people. Please hit that subscribe button. So let's wait for you people to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, if you know you subscribed, in the comment section so that I can give you a sweet hug. The reason is that I want to share my life, I want to share my lifestyle, okay, my story. I have a lot of untold stories that I need to tell. So you need to subscribe. Okay, I'll be having more content on hair ventilation, braiding of hair, simple hair hacks you can do yourself, hair maintenance. You want to be making braided wigs as for yourself or for business, lifestyle, story time, vlogs. Okay, these are what I have in bulk, guys. A whole lot of them for you guys. If you watch this video to this point and you've not yet liked this video, please like the video, subscribe. Once you subscribe, let me know in the comment section. Just type I have subscribed and I will give you a hug. Okay, and if you're watching this video and you're interested in learning hair ventilation but you don't know where to start, don't even know what you need, watch this video. Okay, this is actually a beginners friendly tutorial video on how to ventilate, how to handle the pain. And again, I have a video that will be coming up after, right after this one, on the basic materials you need as a hair ventilator, or someone who is interested in learning hair ventilation but you don't know the materials you need, you don't know this, because for you to start learn how to ventilate you need those materials. Okay, so I have a video coming up after this one on the basic materials, the basic ones you need, the basic materials you need as someone who is interested in learning how to ventilate hair. So you need to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that once I upload that video you will get notified. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. You already seen the goodies. I've already mentioned the goodies I have for you guys, so tell me the reason why you shouldn't subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, hit the like button, like this video, comment if you have something to say or you learned something from this story. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.